I had to choose which were the dishes I liked the most, because I had to eat them. I would have to eat them twice in a week, so it really had to be something I enjoyed and I wouldn't mind eating anyway. But it also had to be something that was easy enough to cook so that I wouldn't have to reinvent the wheel every week. And after giving a very good look at the dishes I usually cook and the ones I like the most, I settled with curry on Tuesday is stew, on Wednesday is vegetarian, meaning usually beans. Sorry, on Thursday I repeat the curry, on Friday I repeat the stew, on Saturday I repeat the beans, and on Sunday I have either something that is roasted or comfort food or fast food. It's that day, whatever I feel like eating. It doesn't mean that I have to eat these things in these days of the week. It means that I have the ingredients or already cooked meals for this number of days during the week, and I can then choose to eat them whenever I want. Usually Sunday, well, usually the day that is supposed to be whatever, is the day that I cook willingly, or if I don't feel like cooking, I get something that I have done, or if I don't have anything ready, I eat the store-bought, ready-to-eat food. Meal plan. There's the stew, there's the curry, and there's the beans. I don't even need to bother about the beans, because I think it was last week I made the second chili, and I have two of these already, so this one is already done. To the stew, I still have a flavor stew base for fish. I still have the base for this. I have the fish, so I'll do this one. I have hake, so I think I'm going to do fish curry. Yeah, I'm going to do a fish curry. Okay, so to eat this I need rice. To eat the beans I also need rice. That's not, and I can have the stew with the rice, so carbs are going to be rice. As for the day off, I want the burger. The burger is already made, so to speak, and frozen in the freezer. It needs to be cooked. On top of it, I'll put the caramelized onion, which I also already have made. I need the bread. So I need the bread. I'm going to make stir-fry veggies. There's a package they sell with all the veggies already cut in small pieces. I'm going to make that. I have cauliflower. I'm going to cook that. I don't know how to write cauliflower. I'll cook some broccoli. Yeah, and the veggies are done. I have all of these. I have the rice. I just need to buy the bread for next week meal. The fish curry. So basically, is the fish with one of those squares I've frozen. Meal plan is made. 3 dishes, one already done, one half done, and one to be done by full. And in my day off, I'm supposed to make the burger. If for any reason I don't feel like it, I don't have the energy, or I don't want to, I have a pizza and some duck rice in the freezer that all it needs is being heated up. Shopping list for next week is just the bread. Added to the bread, I'm going to put some fruit, fresh fruit, and honestly, that I actually need. That's it. That's it.